Now, President William Ruto has concluded his 3-day tour of Meru County, where he asked all the three arms of government to work as a team to make delivery more effective. The president launched several projects, including the affordable housing program and road projects. Now, his sentiments come a day after the Court of Appeal upheld the initial decision by the High Court to suspend the housing levy. Clement Masombo has more.
President William Ruto has sent an appeal to all arms of government to work together to realize the Kenya Kwanza dream of addressing the challenge of unemployment among the youth in the country.
It is deliberate, it is intentional, because it is a responsibility that is shared by all arms of government to make sure that we create jobs in the Republic of Kenya.
Ruto said there is no single arm of government that can operate in isolation.
Let us not use technicalities to deny millions of young people an opportunity to work. Let us make sure that we work collaboratively, we work together, all arms of government focusing on the one single challenge we have in the nation.
He was speaking in Meru during the final day of his 3-day tour of Meru, where he launched and commissioned various projects. The president's remarks come a day after the Court of Appeal upheld the decision by the High Court to suspend the housing levy, stating that it was unconstitutional and that it was introduced without a legal framework.
It is our responsibility to plan to make sure that unemployment does not become a threat to our country by making sure that we have opportunities for young people in Kenya to work.
Ruto was in the company of his deputy Rigathi Gachagua and other leaders from the Mount Kenya region who defended the government projects, saying they all meant well for Kenyans.
These people, they voted you 48,000 votes out of 56. They take you to be part of them.
Dio sasa amerudi kwa kiwanja kuanza kupanga kazi na kazi inaendelea. Hii watu ya Azimio wanapiga kelele huko. They have no agenda. Hakuna kazi wamepanga anywhere. Hawana alternative plan. Wewe rais wetu kaa focus usukume kazi ya Kenya.
Wakikuyu walikuchagua wote 98%. Tunakuomba tafadhali umalize hiyo vita, kwa sababu unajua hiyo vita pale inatoka. Hiyo vita hatuitaki sisi. Hiyo vita hatuitaki. Na tunamuuliza sisi kama tuko 10.4 million, why are we not getting the right chairs?
Clement Masombo, KTN News.
In what appears as a change of tune by government, a section of Kenya Kwanza leaders have today